Unit 3. This is Minnie. Phonics. Letter Y. Hello, students. I'm Renee from TIionng123.com. This is the phonics lesson for English Grade 3. Learning phonics is so much fun, and I'm very glad you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the letter Y. This is the letter Y. The letter Y makes the Y sound. Y. Can you say Y? Good. Let's say it together. Y. 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 Here are some words that begin with the letter Y, Y sound. Yes. Y. Y. Yes. Yellow. Y. Y. Yellow. Yo-yo. Y. Y. Yo-yo. Now, take your turn to practice the words. Yes. Yes. Yellow. Yellow. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Let's chant. Is this yellow? Yo-yo, yellow. Yes, it's a yellow yo-yo. Is this your yo-yo, yo-yo-yo? Yes, it is. It's my yo-yo. Now let's sing again. Is this yellow? Yo-yo, yellow. Yes, it's a yellow yo-yo. Is this your yo-yo, yo-yo-yo? Yes, it is. It's my yo-yo. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.